devil in disguise. She's the devil in disguise. She's the devil in disguise. She tries to enslave me, but you can't control the water. She says I am she, but I am God's daughter. Should have known better, 'cause to my recollection, when I have let her, she leads to self-destruction. And she comes at night. She's the devil in disguise. Always picking fights, trying to take over my mind. She wants my life. She's the voice that isn't mine. No life to hide. She's the devil in disguise. 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 She's the devil in disguise, trying to take over my mind. She's the voice that isn't mine. She's the devil in disguise. She's the devil in disguise. She's the devil in disguise. She comes at night. Always making fights. She's the devil in disguise. She wants my life. No life to hide. She's the devil in disguise.
You're so temperamental, so let me keep it simple. I don't cry, mama. Guess you thought you were sly. Tough luck, my guy. You got no alibi. What? Don't you ever learn? Yeah, I laugh so hard it hurts. I am not the king, I'm the whole damn dynasty. Funny that you think that you can pick a fight with me and pretend we're friends like you don't have a knife to me. Careful, 'cause I'm the whole damn dynasty. You're like a garden villain. You're blue and crime and killing. Any chance you might survive, 'cause you know I don't like losers disguised in a cave inside. Why don't you ever learn? Guess you get what you deserve. Goodbye. Stick my shovel in the dirt and I laugh so hard it hurts. I am not the king, I'm the whole damn dynasty. Funny that you think that you can pick a fight with me and pretend we're friends like you don't have a knife to me. Careful, 'cause I'm the whole damn dynasty. You got a neon sign right above your eyes saying don't trust me, brought to you by lies. You got a neon sign right above your eyes says if you shake my hand, remember to sanitize. You got a neon sign right above your eyes saying don't trust me, brought to you by lies. You got a neon sign right above your eyes says if you shake my hand, remember to sanitize. I am not the king, I'm the whole damn dynasty. Funny that you think that you can pick a